4,000 minerals? Uncle Bob, how can you tell them apart?
It's not always easy. But every mineral is in some way different from every other mineral.
You mean like some are smooth and some are rough?
Very good, Marquis. These differences are called properties. Properties help people identify minerals. Can you observe any of the different properties in these two minerals?
Well, they're different colors.
Color is a property, but be careful. The same mineral may come in several colors, and different minerals can be the same color, like variscite and malachite. Geologists rub minerals on a streak plate to observe the mineral's true color. The powdery trail left on the plate is called a streak. Even though variscite and malachite are both green in color, variscite has a white streak, and malachite has a green streak. Another property geologists observe in minerals is their shininess, their luster. Minerals like galena, they have a metallic shine or luster. They have lots of metal in them, so they shine like metal. Talc, on the other hand, has a non-metallic luster. Talc is very dull and even has an oily look. Other minerals with a non-metallic luster may appear shiny or glassy like this quartz crystal, or even look silky like this mica.
This mica seems to break apart in flat sheets.
Very observant. This is a property called cleavage. Many minerals have a tendency to split into pieces that have flat surfaces. Minerals can be described by the number of directions they split into. Mica has only one cleavage direction and breaks into sheets. This halite mineral splits in 3 directions. It breaks into cubes.
This mineral seems to be sort of soft and greasy, like soap.
Excellent. That's an important property. But not all properties are observed so easily. For example, to determine hardness, a geologist would find out how hard it is to scratch a mineral. Try scratching a piece of gypsum with a paperclip.
The paperclip leaves a scratch.
Now try scratching a piece of quartz with that same paperclip.
Hey, there's no mark.
So what have you learned?
The quartz must be harder than the gypsum.
Very good. Geologists use Mohs hardness scale to compare a mineral's hardness. A softer mineral, like this gypsum, can be scratched by a harder mineral like the quartz. The gypsum is a 2 on the Mohs scale, and the quartz is a 7.
So the higher the number, the harder the mineral?
That's right. The hardest mineral on the Mohs scale is a diamond, with a hardness of 10. The softest is talc, with a hardness of 1. Since talc is very soft, it can be ground up into a fine powder called talcum powder that is used on the skin. You see, a mineral's properties also determine its usage. Graphite is dark gray and so soft, it leaves a streak on a piece of paper. That makes it perfect for use in a pencil. Calcite is harder. It could be ground up and then formed into cement. It's used to make sidewalks and buildings. Quartz is harder still, and its crystals are usually clear. It could be used to make glass.